Well, Service Professionals offers maintenance service agreements. It's very important to have your systems maintained every year. You never know when something's going to go wrong. Something happens and then we come in and we could just take that off your shoulders and, take charge and own it to ourselves, and we can just take care of you.
The Remarkable Home Partnership Plan was kind of a 25-year process of, understanding what customers' needs were, delivering a high level of value, and really trying to encompass the whole entire home. So Remarkable Home Partnership Plan was going to give them a lot more value.
Our customers are our priority. Our service agreement customers are the customers that we see first, to make sure that we get them back up and running with little to no downtime. Not only do we provide tune-ups, we provide 15% savings for our clients. There's a boatload of value there for our clients when they need it.
So if it ever trips, I could just come down here and put it on.
Yeah, it is always on, and then the numbers here will correspond with this.
Rolling out the new plan, it gives us plumbing, heating, air conditioning, and electric. What it allows us to do is it allows us to deliver a high-level guy to be able to come out there and take care of the system for you.
And we come out there at any time, really in the nighttime, if there's a really big emergency. That's why you really need a tech to come in every year and look at every single component in your system. If we can catch that one thing from happening, it could save you an expense in the long run.
There's a checklist that goes, every single customer gets a copy of that checklist. We have the guys actually sign off on it, and it's that commitment to the person that they're going to do an amazing job. And we want the customer to understand that with that commitment, it's either we do a great job or you get your money back. There can't be a risk to the customer. They're going to see tremendous benefits.
If you have plumbing issues, we can cover your plumbing in the house, just make sure that all the fixtures are working properly. We have an option for electrical.
The workmanship's good for life. You'll never have to worry about a thing at this panel.
Wonderful.
We make sure that they don't have a problem when they need their equipment the most.
Once they have that 5-star experience, they're gonna just want us to come every single time.
We want to ensure that you're getting 25 years plus out of the piece of equipment. Every single customer deserves that.